Welcome back guys to Amidroid, and my name is Amit. So in today's video I'm gonna discuss with you guys a new ROM for our Redmi Note 5 Pro called Legion OS. So Legion OS is a little bit of different from others ROM. They got also some features to customize with, but like I'm talking about the interface from any other ROM. So if you go to the quick settings, you can see the accent color and these round of corners all look very beautiful and amazing. So if you play with your launcher, it has its own custom launcher. So when you go to the settings and the icons, you can see the many customization available. Home screen, dark, you can apply theme, dark wallpaper based or light style, and the date format, date font style, and many other features like this. So I like the features that is recent. If you go to the recents app and swipe this down, so you can see that it sort of a clear up button for all recent apps. So it is a very beautiful gesture I like, and the OP gestures are exactly same as OnePlus, like exactly. If I use any other ROM, you can see that the haptic feedback and vibration, you cannot customize the how much vibration you feel if you use these gestures like home screen and recent apps and many other things. But in this ROM, these haptic feedback are customizable, and you don't need to play with that because they are smooth and very smooth to use. And if you use and you can feel that they are literally amazing and exactly same as OnePlus. So now let me talk about the features that are available in this ROM. So these are like normal features: status bar customization, quick settings customization, buttons, navigation bar. You can apply a navigation bar, as you can see that, and it has also gesture, pie gestures. And if you go to the gestures, the Omni OP gestures, Omni OP, you can see that your swipe trigger height, swipe trigger timer. Yes, you don't have the customization for the haptic feedback, but you don't need to have that because it's literally smooth. And now let me just go back, and you can see that lock screen customization, power menu customization, recent apps customization, clear button, icon pack, recent style is many available. And you can see that if you go to the lock screen, it has Android Q style. It's 423, so you can see that it has a little bit of Android Q style, and you can also customize. Let me just show you. If you go to the lock screen and date font style and clock font style, you can choose that clock style, text, Android Q. As you can see that there are many others are also available, but in others ROM there is no customization for font style of this Android Q style. So you can see that clock font style I choose condensed bold, italic, and many others. So you can customize and play with that. And let me just talk about the other features. In notification, you can find the blink, flash, and call, heads up. These are the normal features that available in any other ROM. But if you use this performance wise, I love this ROM. Literally I love this ROM. When I play PUBG, and first time I launched PUBG, it considered the graphics as medium graphics with the shadow enabled, so you can play out high FPS without even use the GFX tool. So it is literally amazing. So, and it is buttery smooth ROM. There is no any other like random force crashes or random reboots. There are nothing like that. And there you can add up. So custom kernel, I suggest you or recommend you the Kangaroo kernel. It literally makes your gaming performance on another level. So PUBG is literally smoother, running smoothly, so there is no problem. And you have the pixel camera with MI camera inbuilt. You don't need to find that which is suitable for this ROM or Redmi Note 5 Pro. It is already pre-installed in this ROM. Pixel camera and MI camera working very smoothly. There is no any other problem for that in camera department. And after using this ROM for few days, I suggest you that for right now, after Havoc OS, I think it's a better ROM. It's a better or best ROM available except than Havoc OS. Havoc OS is literally amazing. I can't say that this ROM is can be compared to Havoc OS, but it's literally amazing. You can use that, and I think it is around like equal it for Havoc OS comparison and Legion OS comparison if we do. So they are at both the same level. So this is literally best customization. And if you want this wallpaper, I suggest you to go down, just click on the link I give in the description. So let me just show you that how to install this ROM. So go to the installation. First of all, you have to power off your phone or you can restart into recovery. If you are carrying any custom ROM, they have this feature advanced, you can go to recovery directly. But I suggest you, or if you don't know about that and you are running stock or MIUI ROM, so just power off your phone and press volume button and power button simultaneously like this to go into the recovery. So right now I'm not gonna flash or anything because I don't have any backup for the stuff I've in my storage. I don't have any backup for my storage, so I'm not gonna install this ROM. So just click on wipe off, click on wipe, advanced wipe, Dalvik, system, cache, data, vendor, and just swipe to wipe. And now click on install and download the files I have given in the description, the Legion OS file and the OpenGApps and Kangaroo X kernel if you want to have a good performance for the gaming. So you can install that. So just if you want to install Kangaroo X, then just first of click on your ROM file, add more zip, OpenGApps, add more zip, kernel. So just swipe to flash and just click on the reboot after that. So it takes time to reboot it for the first time, like 5 to 10 minutes max. Now you can see the beautiful animation of the Legion OS. So as you can see that it boots up very fine and very quick, and voltage and everything is working perfectly. You don't need to worry about that. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and see you guys in the next video.